This question recently appeared in JEE Mains 2023. So let us see this question. And the topic from where the question is, it's mechanics. So let us see what the question says. A tennis ball is dropped onto the floor from a height of 9.8 meter. It rebounds to a height of 5 meter and the ball comes in contact with the floor for 0.2 second. We need to find the average acceleration during the contact. Okay, so first of all, what is the formula for average acceleration? We know that it is v2 minus v1 upon t2 minus t1. We can also write it as del v vector and del t. So we are given that del t is 0.2 seconds. So let us see. Here it's my ball is at a height of 9.8 meter. Okay, it will fall and then it will rebound from here. It will come in contact for 0.2 second over here and then it will again rebound to a height of 5 meter. Okay, so let us make two cases. First, when my ball is coming down, from a height of 9.8 meter, and then it will rebound. From here it will rebound. This will consider as a second case up to a height of 5 meter. Okay, so let us see. When the ball is initially dropped from a height, its initial velocity is 0. Let us see, it will hit the floor with the velocity v1 and it will rebound from the floor with the velocity v2. So these are the v1 and v2 and will come in contact. This contact is for delta t second, that is 0.2 second. So for this contact we need to find the average acceleration. So for that we need this v1 and v2. Again, in the second case, v2 is the velocity with which it will rebound. After that, when it will reach this height 5 meter, here the question is over. So we can say v is equal to 0. Nothing is happening. It has reached the maximum height. So our v1 is the velocity with which ball approaches the floor. Okay, and b2 is my velocity with which ball rebounds from the floor. Okay, so all we need to find is v1 and v2. So let us consider this case 1. So this we are going to use this equation of motion, that we know that v square minus u square is equal to 2as, where s is the distance, a is the acceleration, u is the velocity, initial velocity, and v is the final velocity. They have also given that we are going to take g as 10 meter per second square and we are going to take it as positive if it's in the direction of gravity, and we are going to take it negative if it's opposite to the direction of gravity. Okay, so for the first case, our v is v1, u is 0, 2 acceleration because it's in the direction of gravity, so plus 10, s, that is the distance is 9.8. okay, from here if we calculate our v1, which is going to be 2 into 10 into 98 by 10, cancel out. I'm going to open up this 98 a little bit, like 49 into 2. So v1 from here will be under root of 2 into 2 into 49, which is nothing but 2 into 7, and that is 14 meter per second, and this is downward. Okay, remember this. So let us consider my second case. Again we are going to use the same equation of motion that says that v square minus u square is equal to 2as, but in this case a is minus 10, a is equal to g, which is equal to minus 10 meter per second square because it's opposite to the direction of gravity. S, my height, it's 5 meter. V velocity at the maximum height, it's 0, and u here u is my v2. As I told you, for the second case, it will begin, the process will begin from here, and at that time the velocity of my ball is v2. So we'll put all this 0 minus v2 square is equal to 2, a mean 10 minus 10, s mean 5. This minus sign cancel out. So v2 square is equal to 2 into 5 into 2 into 5. From here v2 will be 2 into 2 into 5 into 5, which is equal to 2 into 5, that is 10 meter per second, and the direction is upward. Okay, sorry, yeah, the direction is upward. So we need to find this average acceleration, and the formula is v2 minus v1 vector divided by t2 minus t1. So v2 is 10 meter per second and it's in the upper direction, so positive v2. v1, it's 14 meter per second, the direction is downward, that is we are going to take it as negative, because the velocity, the distances in the positive y-axis, they are taken as positive, and the positive x-axis, they are taken as positive. In the negative y-axis, we are going to take it as negative. Okay, and time delta t, so let us solve this a little bit, and time is given as 0.2 seconds, so 2 into 10, which will come out to 24 by 2 into 10, and if we solve this, we'll get 120 meter per second square. So this is my average acceleration. Okay, so the answer to this question is 120 meter per second square. Thank you so much.